Okay, Daddy. No need to use that. Okay?
Hello students, welcome to our maths class. So we are continuing our chapter Trigonometry, very important chapter and a lengthy chapter, and a lot of formulas and almost everything is new. So we have not studied any concepts in lower classes. It is a completely new chapter, and we completed first two exercises. We defined 6 trigonometric ratios, and we derived the values of the 6 trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, and for 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90, and also in the last class we discussed about complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, they are called complementary angles. If one angle is A, then other angle will be 90 minus A, so that if you add those two, it will be 90. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. So based on that complementary angle concept, we derived some formulas. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. That means sine changes to cosine, cosine changes to sine, tangent to cotangent, cotangent to tangent. Same way, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Like that, we studied all those 6 formulas in the previous class. And even yesterday we started 11.3 exercise, and we completed 2 problems in that, and we have 4 more problems. We have total 6 problems in this exercise, and same concept. See here, this is exercise 11.3. so this is the third problem. The question is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. This is the question. Find a. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Find a. So that is the question. See here, given, once again you write this down. Given equation is, we have to find a value. So once again, solution. Given equation is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. That equation is given. Why I am calling it as an equation? Because this is the equal symbol. Equal symbol means it is called equation. And we have to find the unknown value. What is the unknown value? 18 is 18 only, but a is not known. So a value we are asked to find. Now, so to solve this type of equations, if possible, so make both sides same ratio. So if both sides are having same ratio, then easily we can compare the angles and we can find the unknown a value. So what is the right side? Tan. Right side, left side is tan, right side is cot. Now we have to change cot into tan, so that tan both sides should be same tan, or change this into cot so that both will be cot. We have the formula. So yesterday we derived the formula. In the last class we derived the formula. So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This formula we derived. So same in reverse order. Use in reverse order. Reverse order. Tan theta is equal to what? Cot 90 minus theta. So tan 2a is equal to cot. I am writing this as cot 90 minus theta is here 2a. See, I am writing tan as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is changed as cot 90 minus theta. Is it on right side? I am keeping same. Change only one side. Right side it is cot. So I am changing this tan into cot. We have so many relationship between the trigonometric ratios. One ratio can be changed into another. So many formulas we have. We studied so many formulas. And even for the next exercise also we are going to study some more formulas. There are so many relations between the ratios. So if you remember all those relations, easily we can convert one ratio into other ratios. Like so tan, I want to change the tan into cot. Why? Because right side is cot, left side also I want cot. So that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Right side it is same angle. Now cot same. So that means these two are same. If it is equal symbol, then these two should be equal. 90 minus 2a should equal to a minus 18. 90 minus 2a should equal to a minus 18. Minus 2a minus a is equal to minus 18 minus 90. Cot same. So 90 minus 2a should equal to a minus 18. So minus 2a plus a this side minus a. This is minus 18 plus 90 that side minus 90. So minus 3a is equal to minus 108. Minus cancel. A is equal to 108 by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 3 6 36 degrees answer. Only one change I made. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That's all. Only one change. Cot same. So then these two should be equal. A angles on the left side, constants on the right side. So minus cancel. A is equal to 108 by 3, 36 degrees also. Right. Next, fourth also same model. Same complementary angle concept. If tan A is equal to cot B. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90. What is given? Tan A is equal to cot B. This is given. Tan A is equal to cot B. So we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. For that, same to this is an equation type because equal symbol is given, and to find the relation between A and B, so both sides make same ratio. So this is tan, change this also in terms of tan, or if this is change this also in terms of cot. Anyone you change. So I am changing this. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta. We derived this formula and I am using the same formula in reverse order. See here. Tan A is equal to cot can be written as tan 90 minus B. Tan 90 minus B is cot B. For 90 degrees, tan changes to cot B. Cot B is equal to tan 90 minus B. Left side same, right side cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Tan cancel. A is equal to 90 minus B. A minus B this side plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Which is the required proof? See, tan A is equal equal to cot B is given. This is the given equation. So I am writing cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. That is the formula. So cot theta is tan 90 minus theta is B. Tan cancel. A is equal to 90 minus B this side plus B. A plus B is equal to 90. Prove. Right. Next. Fifth question. A, B, C are capital letters. Capital A, capital B and C. A, comma, B and C are interior angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle. Prove that A, comma, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Solution. A, B, C are angles of triangle ABC. It is given that A, B, C are the angles of triangle ABC. So if A, B, C are the angles, interior angles, then sum of three angles is 180 degrees. In any triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. A, B, C. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. That we know. In any triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So suppose A plus B I want, then C can be taken right side. 180 minus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So leave it. I will use this concept afterwards. Now I am taking the question. I am taking the question and in that I am taking the left side. I am taking the question. This is the left hand side of the question. And here, in place of A plus B, I am writing 180 minus C. By 2 is by 2. In place of A plus B, I am writing 180 minus C. Why I am writing A plus B is equal to 180 minus C? Because it is, we already prepared it. Why we are changing like this? Because the proof is in terms of C. Question is in terms of A and B, but proof is in terms of C. So I change A and B into C using this relation. We already know this relation. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. See here. Tan 180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2.
Okay. I'm singing, but okay.
180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. See the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta is C by 2. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta is theta. So C by 2. We got the proof. I took the left side and after simplification I got the right side. Now express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Express sine 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. So 0 and 45. This is 75 and this is 65. They are greater than 45. But we have to show that the angles are, we have to change this into another form so that the angle should be between 0 and 45. Angles should be between 0 and 45. For that we know these formulas. See here. I am writing 75. For changing this, I am using the concept of this 90 minus theta formula. See here. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. If you use this concept, complementary angles concept, then simply we can change the angles as between 0 and 45. Use that formula. Sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. See here, sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. This is the formula, first formula. I wrote two formulas here. We derived those formulas in the last class. So sin theta is written as cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is written as sin 90 minus theta. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So two formulas. I wrote the two formulas. Just compare that this with this formula and compare this with this formula. So how I changed it? Now cos 90 minus 75 is 15. 90 minus 65 is 25. Now see the angles. Actually the angles were 75 and 65. But now after simplification we changed it in the form of 15 and 25. Because the question is change the angles between new angle should be between 0 and 45. So now 2015 is between 0 and 45. 25 also between 0 and 45. So now this is changed like this. So this is the answer. We did the required changes. For that I used these two formulas. Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. 90 minus 15 is 90 minus 75 is 15. 90 minus 65 is 25. So with this exercise is over. So you just practice it. Write down. So there are total 12 examples before this exercise. So I solved all the exercise problems, but example problems you solve. But in this also I will solve few important problems. In this in all we have 12 examples. So in that I am solving the 12th example. Example 12. Example 12. Capital A, comma, capital B and capital C. Capital A, comma, capital B and capital C are the angles of triangle ABC. Capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles of triangle ABC. Then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. What are ABC? ABC are the angles of triangle ABC. So, angles of a triangle means sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. And I am taking the left side of the required proof. What is the left side? Sine B plus C by 2 is the left side. Sine B plus C is equal to B plus C is equal to what? 180 minus A. So we want B plus C. Then B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. See, it is given that ABC are the angles of a triangle. Then sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Our required left side is sine B plus C by 2. But we have to prove that it is in terms of A. So how to change B plus C into A? B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A by 2 is by 2. What is B plus C? B plus C is equal to 180 minus A by 2 is by 2. Now, sine 180 by 2 is 90. 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos. For 90 degrees, sine changes to cos of what is the angle? Theta means here A by 2. See here, for 90 degrees, sine 90 minus theta. Again I will write here. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That is the formula. See the second formula. Second formula, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta is A by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta is A by 2. So, which is the required proof? See the proof. So, then students, you complete the remaining examples. 1 to 12 examples you practice. Thank you. And let us conclude here. Thank you. Have a nice day.